Breaking crypto news. Let's talk about exactly what is moving markets today. First up, Dow rises 200 points after another report hints that inflation could be slowing. And crypto is pumping a little bit today too because of this, right? Because when inflation slows, the Federal Reserve can finally lower interest rates or stop hiking interest rates just a little bit. And look at how correlated Bitcoin is to the Federal Reserve's actions, right? This is massive. In blue, you have the Bitcoin year-over-year price, and in white, you have the M2 money supply year-over-year growth. Look at how perfectly correlated they are. Right now, the M2 supply has crashed and Bitcoin has crashed. Well, when is this M2 supply going to go back up? When inflation finally eases. And so the market is just pricing in peak inflation in theory. Now let's stay on top of where Bitcoin is in the cycle because it's all lining up. Look at the percent all-time high drawdown in blue. So this is the current Bitcoin crash. And on top of that, in orange, is the 2018 Bitcoin crash. Look at how the timing is lining up perfectly. It's been like a year since the top. We have this capitulation event. We may have a little boring period here and then a very rocky period ahead of us, but we're staying on top of this revolutionary technology as it changes the world. Nike launches .swoosh Web3 platform on Polygon. Nike literally just launched an NFT platform on Polygon. They are joined by all these brands. This is Nike, this is Instagram, this is Starbucks, you have JP Morgan using Polygon, you have Robinhood, Ernst & Young. It doesn't get much bigger than that. That is the Polygon ecosystem. And now let's take a look at what's going on in the BNB ecosystem. Space ID surpasses 300,000 .bnb registrations, 100,000 users. So we talk about the Ethereum name service, the .eth domain names, which are part of the big blockchain ecosystem on Ethereum. Well, BNB is creating its own, and they have 100,000 users. Obviously, BNB becoming a healthy competitor to Ethereum. Now, there's a lot of talk about Solana right now. Everyone thinks it's going to go to zero because it's associated with FTX. Here are the fundamentals of Solana. On November 14th, very recently, it is still the second most active blockchain, 3 million active addresses compared to BNB's 4 million, Ethereum 2 million, Polygon 1.5, probably more upside there. And then you have Phantom, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, and it doesn't include everything, but that's just a glimpse into what is going on. Let's look at the Flow ecosystem. Flow is known for its NFTs, but there's also some decentralized finance activity heating up on the Flow ecosystem. $572,000 in trading volume in one day. Just look at that uptrend. We are staying on top of the on-chain data.